Hi, my name's James Urquhart-Burton and I'm a partner at Ridley and Hall Solicitors. I work in our litigation team and deal with a number of different issues for people, but for a number of years I've specialised in long-term care funding. And I couldn't help but notice the new proposed coronavirus legislation, the coronavirus bill, and the potential impact that this is going to have on people who have a need for long-term care and support. And I thought it might be helpful to set that out so that people are aware of the potential issues that might arise, and also to talk about the potential funding consequences in a very short vlog. Now, the coronavirus bill is also currently supported by a note on the gov.uk website, a link of which appears at the bottom of this vlog, and it's very helpful. Essentially, we'll talk briefly about continuing healthcare funding, which is the package of care that is arranged and fully funded by the Clinical Commissioning Group, free of charge for individuals who are assessed as having a primary health need, and the local authority who have a duty to provide care and support to people who are eligible for it, and then subsequently will undertake a means test assessment to see whether or not they're obliged to assist the resident based on their income and capital. So in a nutshell, the new legislation proposes to relax the duty on a clinical commissioning group to undertake a continuing healthcare assessment by enabling them to delay it. Obviously, you know, this is a measure that I have no doubt is absolutely needed to direct limited resources to where it needs to go. But it is going to leave some people unsure about the position with their assessments and with their funding, and whether it's advice or reassurance that people are needing. Ridley and Hall are keeping abreast of these changes, and you should feel more than welcome to give us a call. Telephone number also appears at the bottom of this vlog. Now, what the government are saying is that those people whose assessments for continuing healthcare are delayed, these people will initially receive NHS funded care, and that's a great reassurance for the public and people going into long-term care or already there. But I think that the concern that I have, and what I think we might see a development of, is once these measures are relaxed and the NHS feels able to get back to normal, I imagine that they're going to be funding a large number of people, and they will prioritise review of those people because they will not want to be funding anyone's care if they are not assessed as having a primary health need. So again, if this is happening to you in due course, feel free to get in touch for advice. And similarly with local authorities, the duty on them to undertake the Care Act assessment to see what your care needs and support requirements are is also relaxed, as is the need to undertake a financial assessment and other arguably onerous duties on the local authorities to provide advice and information, financial advice. This is all likely to be relaxed, but the government is very clear that they should be meeting their duties wherever possible, and that these measures should only be implemented in times of real need and difficulty. And we've yet to see how local authorities and clinical commissioning groups will make use of this exception. But we'll keep abreast of the developments and report on any new information we learn. Any queries whatsoever, don't hesitate to get in touch with me at Ridley and Hall, and I'll do my best to help.